Hello everyone, we are Team Satyam Lahiri 3 and we are excited to present our web app, the Quick Care, developed for the bitspilani Postman API Hackathon 4.0. I am Karthik Dubey and with me are Satyam Lahiri, Aditya Misra and Rishabh Yadav. Our web app, Quick Care, is a comprehensive platform designed to simplify and enhance healthcare management. It allows users to access vital health features like storing health data, scheduling appointments, viewing medical records seamlessly, and it also provides them AI-powered medical diagnosis also. The first feature is secure user authentication. Using Supabase, we have implemented a robust login and registration system that ensures user data is encrypted and protected. Here is a demonstration of how a user registers and logs into their account. You can see the user-friendly interface and quick authentication process. This is the foundation for accessing all the other features of our platform. So now we will be showing you the features of our web app. So the first feature is our appointment scheduling feature, which allows users to book appointment with healthcare providers. The system displays available time slots based on user preference, making the process convenient and efficient. This is how a user selects a provider, chooses an available time slot, and books an appointment. Notifications are sent from confirmation, ensuring users never miss an appointment. So after booking your appointment, you have to go on My Appointment section, from where you can view your all booked appointment. Here you will see all the details. Now, when you will click on schedule a video call, there you will see a video call icon and the timeline which is left for your schedule. We have used Video API for this video call. There is one more option here which is pre-appointment check. Here, if you will fill these details up about your symptoms, what all you medications you were taking, allergies, and click on submit button, then this detail will be directly sent to the your doctor. So the next feature of our web app is medical diagnosis. We have used Rapid API for this AI-powered medical diagnosis. When you will click on medical diagnosis tab, you will be redirected to a such page where you will see basic information, symptoms, and medical diagnosis. When you will fill these details and click on next, you will see the results. For example, I'm showing you if my age is 20, gender is male, and now in symptoms I write headache, and in medical details my height is 180 and my weight is 70 kgs. And when I will click on get diagnosis, I will see my results here. So this is how it is giving me a diagnosis analysis. You can see here. So we have used Rapid API here, and it is an AI-powered API. So you can see how much helpful will be this for our users. So the next feature of our web app Quick Care is health tips. When you will click on health tips icon, you will be redirected to this page. So we have used one of the API from the Rapid API platform, which provide you the health recommendation. It is personalized health recommendation. For example, you have to fill your personal info, health data, lifestyle, and it will give you an review. I am showing you an example how this works. So my age is 20, my gender is male. In health data, it is asking for my weight, which is 70 kgs. My height is 180 centimeter. And if I wrote my medical conditions as none and click on next, it is asking for my lifestyle, my activity levels. If I am moderately active, my sleep hours is 6 hours, and if exercise frequency is 4 times per week. And if I click on next, then it will give me a medical review. It's taking some time. So this is my personalized health assessment. You can see how well defined this assessment is, and this will be very useful for our users. It is also giving us preventive care. So these were the features of our web app Quick Care. In this web app, we have used Postman extensively to test and verify API workflows for our platform. Our integration includes Supabase for authentication, healthcare provider APIs for appointment, and database management. We have also used email.js for quickly sending the details to doctor. You can see how efficiently data flows between our system and external APIs, ensuring reliability and speed. We have prioritized data security by encrypting all sensitive information and following industry standards. Additionally, our platform is designed with a user-first approach, focusing on accessibility and intuitive navigation. In conclusion, the Quick Care simplifies healthcare management for both users and providers. Moving forward, we plan to integrate AI-based health insights and multilingual support to enhance functionality and accessibility. Thank you for your attention. We are proud of what we have accomplished and look forward to your feedback. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.